Hello friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesavani and today I will show you how to upload any project or folder to your GitHub account. So first of all, you will need to have a GitHub account. If you don't have, please sign it up first and then log in into your GitHub account. So I have already signed in and now I will show you how to create a GitHub account. So before uploading any folder or project to your GitHub, you need to have Git Bash installed in your system. So search for the Git Bash download and go to the website Git for Windows and download the Git from there. So after downloading and follow the instructions shown on the screen and install the Git, and then you can upload any files or folder or project to your GitHub account. So before uploading, you need to create a repository. So click on this plus sign to create a new repository and go to new repository option. So it will ask you a repository name. So I am giving it as projects. Okay, so you can also mention the description of the repository name, but it is totally optional. So now you can also set the accessibility mode of your repository, whether it be a public or private. If you set it as public, then anyone can view your code, but if you set it as private, then only you can access your files and folders. So create the repository by clicking onto the create repository button. So it will create me a repository. Now the repository is created. Now let's go to our folder and click on right click on the screen anywhere and choose the git bash here. Once you will install the git bash, you can see the option git bash here by right clicking on the screen. So click onto it. So since I have already created another project or repository, I need to change the origin first. So how to change that origin of that git URL? So type the command git remote -v and then you can see that it is showing the original URL, and now I want to change this URL to the projects.git because my new URL is this one and it is the projects.git file. So I will change it. So let me change it. So type the command git remote set -url origin and then this whole path by right clicking and paste it here. So now press enter. So now it will change the origin URL. So now what you have to do is you have to just create a new repository from here. So how to do that? Just fire the command git add init. So I've given something wrong command git add init. So it is showing that there is some error. So let's find out. So first of all, I need to fire the command git init, and then I will create a readme folder git add readme.md small md. Now add the file. Suppose I want to add this whole folder C programs folder. So I will just give the name of this folder git add and within double quotes write C programs. It should be the same name as your folder or the file programs. Now press enter and then you have to fire the commit command git commit -m and within double quotes mention add files. So now choose the repository or by giving the URL. So you can copy it from here, git remote add origin and the whole path. Right click here and paste it and press enter, and now push the folders. So that's all. It is showing that the file has been uploaded to your GitHub account. So let's check whether it has been uploaded or not. So again click onto the code, and you can see that I am able to see the folder C programs. So click onto the C programs to see the files in it, and you can see that files are uploaded. And if you want to see the code of these files, click onto the file, and you from here you can see the code. So you have seen that how simply we have created and uploaded the GitHub files into our GitHub account. So please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos. Thank you.